Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. These are shrimp fajitas. This is gonna be a super quick 15-minute recipe, shrimp fajitas in one pan. First thing I'm going to do is marinate my shrimp. Now, super simple marinade. You can honestly do whatever you wanna do, just salt and pepper is fine as well. But I'm gonna be doing some olive oil and I just drizzle it on top. This is just to help coat the seasoning on the shrimp. I'm also gonna take a little bit of chili powder, just a sprinkle, and some adobo seasoning. I'll of course put all of the measurements down in the description below. I'm just gonna mix this together, mix all of those seasonings, get those shrimp nice and coated, and we're gonna set them aside while we cut our vegetables. The great thing about these shrimp is that I get them frozen and then I just defrost them really quickly before I cook. So they're always basically ready to go. If you wanna get fresh shrimp, that's of course better, but this is great if you are meal prepping or if you're not sure if you're gonna be in the mood for shrimp, the frozen ones are perfectly fine as well. To prep my vegetables, I'm gonna be using a sweet onion and bell pepper. Now the measurements for this doesn't really matter, just depends on how much you wanna eat at the moment. So I'm gonna take my sweet onion, I'm gonna cut off the ends, take off the outer layer, and then I like to cut it into slices. So I do slices about 1 centimeter in thickness. And then I just separate them like this to make sure that everything is completely separate before I put it into the pan. For my bell pepper, I'm going to slice off the top, slice the bottom, and then it is super easy to cut around the center of the bell pepper, and you just easily take out the seeds and the center. I now just lay out my bell pepper and then I'm gonna cut it into thin slices. If you haven't already subscribed to my channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button down below and also like this video. I'm heating a nonstick pan on medium heat and I'm gonna add some olive oil, drizzle it into the pan. After my oil has heated up a bit, I'm going to add my onions and the bell pepper. I'm gonna add a little bit of adobo seasoning on top, adding a little extra olive oil. I'm now gonna let the bell pepper and onion cook for about 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, I can see that my vegetables are getting nice and soft. I'm gonna add a tablespoon, 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter, and we're gonna saute this into the vegetables. It's gonna add delicious flavor. It's also gonna help soften up those vegetables as they cook. After the butter completely melts, you're gonna cook this for an additional 2 to 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, you're gonna take your vegetables out. I turned the heat off just for a moment so I can take out the vegetables. Putting the pan back on medium heat, I'm gonna now throw in my shrimp. You're just gonna cook your shrimp until they are completely, fully cooked on both sides. It should take about 2 minutes. After about a minute, you're going to flip your shrimp over to cook on the other side. I've turned my heat off, my shrimp are fully cooked. I'm just gonna add my onions and peppers back in. We're gonna mix this all together to make sure all of those flavors, melt together, and then it is ready to serve and eat. And that is it, 15-minute shrimp fajitas in one pan. This is such a great recipe. It is my go-to, especially when I need something last minute, really quick, that is healthy and low carb, packed with vitamins and protein. I cannot wait to dig in. Of course, with fajitas, you need a little bit of lime, top it off with some lime. I love to take my low carb tortillas. I like to use the ones that are zero net carb by Mission Foods, not sponsored, but just such a great tortilla. I've linked it down on my Amazon links in the description below if you wanna purchase them. I'm gonna take my shrimp, gonna take a little bit of my onions and that bell pepper. I love to top my sour cream. You can add cheese if you want, some guacamole if you want. And that is it, y'all. The perfect bite. Cannot wait for you guys to try this one. Let me know what you think down in the comments below, and cheers. I mean, what else do you need? A 15-minute recipe that is really simple, that the whole family will love. Thank you all so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. Also hit that notification bell to never miss a tasty upload. Till next time.